And yeah, nothing much I want. I don't want you to write it down. Okay, so this is the sum. So from the following particulars, Mr. Dinesh prepared trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2019. The sum is given in this format. Yeah, there is no debit credit. So we have to make a clarity, and we have to segregate the final account into the trial balance into a proper trading and profit and loss and balance sheet. So how do we, with the additional information? So we are very clearly, they have said capital, cash, building, wages, salary, rent and tax, printing and machineries, stock, insurance premium, machinery, drawings, purchase, sales, carriage inwards, fuel gas, sundry data, sundry creditor, sales return, purchase return, bills receivable, advertisement, dividend, furniture, and loan. Bills receivable is given. Just check whether bills payable is there. So you'll have to take a decision where it has to come in. Yeah, so capital. Capital is balance BS, liability. Yeah, cash. BS, asset. Building. Yes, BS is nothing but balance sheet, asset. Wages, trading, debit. Salary, P&L account, debit. Rent and tax, P&L account, debit. Printing and stationery, P&L account, debit. Stock, trading, debit. Insurance premium, P&L account, on debit. Machinery, it's a balance sheet, asset, ASS. Drawings, balance sheet, LIA, liabilities. Under capital, it will be subtracted. Remember that. Trading, purchase, trading, debit. Sales, trading, credit. Carriage inwards, trading, debit. Fuel gas, trading, debit. Sundry debtors, balance sheet, asset. Sundry creditors, liability. Sales return, trading, credit. Purchase return, trading, debit. Bills receivable, asset or liability? Bills receivable, asset or liability? Can I have an answer?
Asset.
Yeah, thank you. So bills payable is not there in this class. Balance sheet, asset. Advertisement, P&L account, debit. Guys, you can answer with me. P&L dividend, P&L account,
Debit.
furniture, P&L account. That's how practice will come. P&L account. No. Furniture is an asset. Yeah, furniture is an asset. Yeah, thank you. This is balance sheet, liable.
Liability.
Yeah, so closing stock, trading, credit, and balance sheet, asset. Provision for discount on creditors. Very nice. New provision is common. New adjustment is common. See, all your sums are having different adjustments. Yeah, the 10 problems are completely different. So if you practice 10 problems, you are thorough in your final accounts. Provisions on discount and creditors, trading, no, not trading.
P&L account.
P&L account, credit, and balance sheet, liability, you will subtract. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am, from creditors.
From creditors. From creditors. Yeah, what he said. Who said that?
Me, ma'am, Anand.
Anand. Yeah, from creditors it will be subtracted. Do not subtract from anything else. As usual, bad debts. Yeah, they have given write-off. P&L account. P&L account debit. 5% bad debts have to be done, as well as make a provision discount on debtors. Both the things will be in the debit side, but and in balance sheet, you will subtract the debtors and the bad debts in a proper format. Okay, so this is how is your problem. Yeah, can you kindly take this image? Again, because as I've taken and given you the answers, I will not upload this. So please, Sharan, can you take this alone? As I've written it, know the answer. So you will know how to do it. I've written all the adjustments and everything. If you want, I'll highlight it. It's highlighted here. You want this also to be highlighted? Yeah, I've highlighted everything. So you can take a photo of this and put it in. Thank you. Somebody has done it, I think. So the answer is there in your thing. So now you can discuss with me, and people are less in camera. Sim Johnson and Sharon, thank you. Oh, okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. Please be on camera. Yeah, that's really nice. So we have finished this. Now we will go ahead. I'm closing this, okay? I'm not saving this. So it is there in your chat box. Now the next thing is we will be doing going to an Excel. Going to an Excel. Going to an Excel, 8th problem. Going to Excel, 8th problem. Saving it as 8th problem. Okay, I'll share it off. Okay, now what is this problems in the books of? In the books of whom, man?
Dinesh.
Dinesh, ma'am.
The books of Dinesh, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended which 31st March. March 2019. Yeah. Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Yeah. So this is the credit. Rupees. I have created my format. Yes. I've created my format. Fine. That's it. Yeah. What is it, Kalanda? What are you trying to tell me?
And
Ma'am,
that
can you
Excel
please
screen.
share your screen, ma'am?
Oh, I have not shared. So thank you. Sorry. I was just creating the format. I didn't realize that I didn't share. Sorry, guys. Yeah, now it's shared.
Yes, ma'am.
I created the format. I just opened an Excel. I saved the problem, 8th problem. So now trading and profit loss. I've created all the format. Anything is missing in the format? No, right? Everything is paka. Now start telling me the question. Yeah, we will start filling it in the same format, whatever you are saying. Yeah, the problems. What is the question? First question. Kindly have the question in your hand. Where is the question? Are you all having it in the hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Or it is there in the chat box. Even in the chat box, we will do it in a same format. Yeah, will not change the format. Okay, now first thing is capital. Am I right? So trading account, we cannot do it in trading account. We will do it in balance sheet. In the books of Do not write, guys. I want you to answer. I find people writing, do not. You have the whole day time. Balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2019. Am I right? The sum is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do not write. Please concentrate here. I need everybody's participation here. What is it? It's not date. What is it? It's
Liabilities.
yeah, it's liabilities, but okay. Yeah, liabilities. Yeah, liabilities. LIABILITIES. Liabilities amount. Debt. Amount. Yeah. So rupees. So the first one is capital. So liabilities, right? What is the amount?
75,000.
Much?
75,000.
75,000. So I put it in the inner column. What is the next? Cash.
4,000.
Cash is
Drawings.
4,000.
We have to.
Cash 4,000. Yeah. So I finished. Next, what is the sum? Building.
Buildings 40,000.
I need people talking. Building. Any depreciation is there? Any depreciation is there?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right away, 40,000. Yeah. Building is 40,000. Wages, trading account. Wages is trading account. What?
6,000.
6,000.
So I'll leave one line. I'll write it here. The second line, 2 wages, because format is there, no? Opening stock. Yeah, that is the only thing I'll follow. Wages, how much? 6,000. Any outstanding is there?
No, ma'am.
Salary. Salary. Any outstanding?
No, ma'am.
5,000.
How much is salary?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. Yeah. What is next? Rent and tax. Rent and tax. How much?
800.
800.
800.
800.
No adjustments, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Adjustments. To printing and stationery.
700.
700.
700. Thank you. Next. Stock. Yeah, 2 opening stock. How much?
12,000.
1,000.
12,000.
12,000.
Insurance premium. Any adjustment is there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Insurance premium. How much?
600.
Next. Machinery. Any adjustment for machinery?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Amount?
12,000.
12,000. Yeah, next drawings. Leave a space, add net profit, right? I'll write net NP less drawings. How much?
4,000.
4,000.
4,000. Yeah. So I've done it according to the adjustments. Then purchase. Purchase return is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the column, how much? Purchase?
1,500.
No, 50,000 has to be returned, right?
Purchase 50,000, ma'am.
Less purchase return, PR. How much? 1,500.
500.
Yeah, 50 minus 1,500.
48,500.
48,500, ma'am.
48,500.
48,500.
Yeah, fine. So purchase is done, sales. Sales. Buy sales. How much is the inner column? 75,000.
75,000.
Sales return less sales return. SR.
1,800.
Do not write the shortcuts. I'm doing it because I want to finish the problem. Yeah. Yeah. Then fuel gas. Gas. Gas.
1,900.
1,900. Yeah. 1,900. Next. Debtors. Sundry debtors. How much? 25,000 inner column. I'll just keep it in the inner column. Okay, we'll do it later. Sundry creditors.
11,600.
That also I'll keep it in the inner column. 70. How much?
11,600.
11,600.
1,600 inner column. Yeah, because there's some adjustment. Sales return, purchase return is done. Bills receivable is what?
Asset.
Asset.
2,000.
Asset, ma'am.
Bills receivable, straight away outer column, 2,000. Yeah, advertisement is a P&L account. 2 advertisement. Any adjustments?
No, ma'am.
How much? 1,600.
1,600.
Dividend, 800. Dividend, 800. Next, furniture is an asset. Furniture. How much is
2,000.
furniture?
2,000.
2,000.
Then loan. Loan, where will you write?
Liabilities.
Yeah, what is the amount?
6,000.
6,000.
Loan is 6,000.
6,000.
Yeah, fine. Done. That's it. Okay, so I've posted all the things. Am I right? Now I'll go to the adjustments. Am I right? I've done all the things. See, now I have done the trial balance. I have segregated it into trading, P&L, and balance sheet. Yeah. Now closing stock. Closing stock is how much? It has to be
14,000.
here. Also closing stock. 14,000. Yeah. Then here. What is it? Minus 75 minus 1,800?
73,200.
73,200.
Closing stock. Yeah. 73,200.
200.
Yeah. Closing stock is how much?
14,000.
14,000.
1,000. Thank you. So we have done everything. First part is done. Then provision for discount on creditors. Yeah. So we'll leave one space. Second space. We'll write here gross profit only will come. Yeah. By GP. We'll leave it here. By yes. Discount on. I'll do it. Discount on creditors. I'm filling up the screen. Yeah, filling up all the problem and then I will do it. Provision for discount. Yes, tell me. I left carriage inwards. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, see, Monica has done very good. Monica said, right?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Who said?
I did, ma'am.
Who said that? Farhana. Thank you, Farhana. So that's called see how careful she has noted. Thank you for the finding out my mistake. Yeah, my buy discount on creditors. What is the amount? Yeah, what is debtors? Sorry, creditors. 11,600 into 2%. Give me the answer.
232.
To
232.
2%.
Hmm.
232. Correct? Who gave me the answer?
Me, ma'am.
Means who's that? Means who? Oh, me answer is there. Okay, fine. So I've done discount on creditors. Now what is next? Write off bad debts. Yeah, so now I need some more space. What was that? Control Shift plus, Control Shift plus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Control Shift plus. Okay, that's nice that I'm learning from Control Shift plus. How many rows I can't do that. Okay. Control Shift plus. Oh,
Ma'am,
it's
click
again.
on row header and do that, ma'am.
What is it?
Click on the row header and do that.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, ma'am.
Control Shift. You. Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Thank you. I learned a new thing now. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's really nice. So now what is the next thing I have to do? The adjustment. Write off bad debts. Okay. Any bad debts is there in the trial balance? Can you see any bad debts in the trial balance? Can you see any bad debts in the trial balance? Ma'am, I'm unable to see the Excel. Anandram?
Yeah.
Oh, that was that time. Okay. Anybody?
Write off is there.
Yeah, any bad debts is there in the Excel, in the trial balance? No
No, ma'am.
bad debts, right? Guys, give me an answer. In the
In
trial
adjustment.
balance, any bad
Only in
debts
the
is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, only in the adjustment it is there. Yeah. So we will go ahead doing it. Two bad debts. Bad debts. Write off 1,000. Am I right? Then two new provisions. The new provisions. Sundry debtors is how much? What is sundry debtors? What is sundry debtors?
25,000.
25,000. 1,000 is write off. So 24,000. Am I right? I'm doing it
Yes,
here. Into 24,000 into what? Into what? 2%.
5%, ma'am.
5% bad debts and 2% provision
So
for
we'll
discount.
do the 2% also, right?
Uh,
24,000 into 2%, how much?
480.
How do we do it? Sundry debtors? We'll take that 5% on 24,000. 5% on 24,000 is 1,200.
1,200.
So how much is the difference? Then discount on creditors. How much is it? 22,800. Am I right? Into 2%.
Sundry debtors 25,000.
That's what I've given. 25,000.
Okay, ma'am.
And 1,000 is write off. 24,000. Then 5%, 1,200. Then 2% is 456. So I think I've done it correctly. So 5% on SDRS. So new provision is 1,200. Yeah. Then 2 write off is done. 5% is done. 2 discount. 2 discount on debtors. Set 2% on all these are adjustments, guys. Sundry debtors. How much is it? 456. So I've done everything. Am I right? So I've done most of the things. So again, I have to put shift plus, control shift plus, control shift plus, control shift plus. Yeah, how did this 2% go down? Yeah, so this will be coming up. Yeah, control C, Sit here, yeah. So I've done everything. All the things I've done. All the adjustments I've done. Yes. Closing stock is done. Provision for discount is done. Write-off is done. Make provisions. Everything is done. So now give me the answer. Now each and everybody can give me the answer. In between, how will I delete the rows? Control Shift minus, huh? No. Yeah. Control Shift minus. No, it's not happening. Yeah. So now what is the balance? Can you tell me? 73,200 plus 14,000. How much is it?
87,200, ma'am.
7,200. Yeah. So 87,200 minus 12,000, 6,000, 48,500, 1,900 and 500. Tell me that.
18,300.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 2 gross profit. So 87,200. Yeah. So now bring down that gross profit here. 18,300. Now add all this. Can you please tell me 18,300 plus 232? Anything else? Hey, we did a mistake. We did a small mistake. Yes. Control C. We did a mistake. Buy dividend. The format 800. So dividend will not come here. Discount on creditors. Yeah. Now tell me the amount. Tell me the balance.
7,976. Ma'am, net
1
profit.
minute here. 1 minute, please. I need the total. Can you give me the total? Can you give me the total, please? 18,300.
19,332.
Thank you. Thank you. Now you get that 7,000. Okay. 19,332. 332 minus 456 minus 1,200 minus 1,000 minus 1,600 minus 600 minus 700 minus 800 minus 5,000. Now you get that net profit as 7,976. I think that's the answer you told me, Kalanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So net profit has come. Now go to the capital. Add your net profit, 7,976. So minus drawings. How much you get? Outer column? 75 minus 7,976.
78,976.
78,976. 78,976. Then comes 11,600. Now here, what is the sundry creditors? Less discount on creditors. How much is this?
232.
232. So what is the difference? 11,368. Yeah. Done. 78. Loan is written. Yeah. So now what is the balance here?
96,344.
96,344. Now here, what and all has to come? The
Ma'am,
same thing.
we want to do that bad debts in sundry debtors deduction.
Yes, I know. I have not done that. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I've done it here, no in the Excel. So I'm taking it. I'm applying it here. Am I right? Less write off. This 1,200 is less new provision. Oh, correct? Less discount on debtors, DRS. Yeah. So what is the balance? Can you give me 25 minus 1,000? 22,344. Yeah. Now bills receivable is deleted. So because of the space, how much is it? 2,000, yeah. Have I written everything?
Yes, ma'am.
4,000, 22,000,
Tallying.
40,000?
96, 3.
Tallying? Good, that's all. 96,344. Guys, have you understood this? Okay, I have done it. Was I fast in the class? Was it fast? Clear? Clear understanding? Yeah, I really did not do any Word document or anything, but I really did all the adjustments. I covered everything and then only I started doing the totaling. So please do it like this. This is also an easy way of doing it. Yeah. This is also an easy way of doing it. I'm highlighting all the aspects so that I can immediately upload it for you. Yeah. Okay. So these are the things. This is sundry data's adjustments for your benefit. I'm keeping it like this. Yeah. Fine. Fine. That will be there just like that. Or if you don't want, you can delete it. Yeah. That's okay. So these are the things. I've done everything. Yeah. Home inserts. Yeah. That's it, guys. Class is done. You can all leave. 1 minute. No, don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. I'll stop recording.